Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download Canva app in your Windows operating system. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first go to any of your Chrome browser and here type for micro. After that here you will get the first link called apps.microsoft.com. Click on that. And it will redirect you to the Microsoft Store. You can see over here. Also, you can open it from the Store app, but I will remain it as it is. So if we now search here, Canva, and click on the first search, here you can see this is your Canva app over here. It's completely free. You can see over here. And if we now click on the Canva, and if you now click on install, a notification will pop up over here. So open Microsoft Store and it will automatically find out Canva over here. So here you can see Canva installing notification pop-up is over here. So if you now click on install, so here you can see Canva is installed into our Windows operating system. And now if you minimize it and close it, you can see Canva is over here. Canva app is over here. So if you now click on it, and here you can see this is the Canva's app, and click on the login through the website, continue with Google. And if you now click on yes, continue to Canva app, I click on open Canva, and it will automatically redirect you to the app. They are asking what will you be using Canva for, just giving. So here you can see the Canva is opened into our Windows operating system. This is the app. So this is how you can download Canva, and thank you so much for watching this video. Hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.